I have no idea if this will ever make it to an actual video because I'm kind of taking a shot in the dark here. We are driving to Manasquan. According to Surf Captain, looks pretty good. Problem is, I looked on the cam on Surfline and it's pretty foggy. You can't really see much, so. I don't know, just kind of felt like going anyway, so. So I just stopped to get gas, and when I went to pull out, it said my key wasn't detected because of low battery, and I just kept messing with it, and it eventually worked. But now, like, I might be an hour away at the beach and no way home.
Sometimes when I meet ya, I don't know what to say, no. So I try to read ya, I watch every move that you're making. You're stuck on my brain, I'm going insane, crying the rain, no. But deep down I know that you were just an obsession. Because if I play, I'll move it to the end, there's no question. You're stuck on my brain, I'm going insane, numb by the pain, no.
That was gnarly. I'm not gonna lie. That was gnarly. You couldn't tell from the camera, there's a lot of people out there, which meant that with my skill level, kind of had to settle for scraps, which I get. I got a lot of dues to pay, and probably not enough time in my life to pay them to get the, really good waves on a day like that where there's a lot of people out there. Definitely more of a shortboard wave, and I'm riding a longboard. So good for them. Saw some good surfers. That was cool. Surfing's awesome in the sense that every time you go out there, you get a sensation or see something that you've either haven't felt before or haven't seen before. So yeah, cool. Just a good day.